morning, children. How are you all? You all must be fine. Today we will learn places of worship in English conversation. What we'll learn? We will learn about places of worship. Okay? Let's see what's there in the first question. Again, let me remind you, this is only for your oral. This is only for your oral. You just need to learn the question. You just need to read the question with the answers. Okay, the PDF has been sent to you. Just follow that. And this is the topic is place of worship. Let's see what the questions are. Where do Hindus go to pray? Where do Hindus go to pray? Hindus go to a temple to pray. Where do Hindus go to pray, children? They go to the temple. The answer is temple. 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 Hindus go to a temple to pray. Where do Muslims go to pray? Muslims go to a mosque to pray. What is the answer? Muslims go to the mosque. Where did they go? Mosque. 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 Muslims go to a mosque to pray. Where do Christians go to pray? Where do Christians go to pray? Christians go to a church to pray. Where do the Christians go? They go to a church. Church. Christians go to a church to pray. Where is the famous Jama Masjid situated? Where is the famous Jama Masjid situated? The famous Jama Masjid is in Delhi. The famous Jama Masjid is in Delhi. Where is Jama Masjid? It's in Delhi. Delhi. Where do Sikhs go to pray? Where do Sikhs go to pray? Sikhs go to a Gurudwara to pray. Where do they go? They go to a Gurudwara. 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 Sikhs go to a Gurudwara to pray. Where is the famous Jagannath temple situated? The Jagannath temple is in Puri. You all must have been to Puri. You must have seen the Jagannath temple. You must have been to the beach. Okay. So the Jagannath temple, Lord Jagannath temple is in Puri. Where is the famous Golden Temple situated? The Golden Temple is in Amritsar. This is a temple which is, golden in color, and it completely looks like a gold temple. So the Golden Temple is in Amritsar. From the color only itself, you can identify that is Golden Temple. The Golden Temple is in Amritsar. 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 Which city is known as the city of temples? Bhubaneswar is known as the city of temples. And this is very obvious. We all must have been to Bhubaneswar, right? We are twin cities, Cuttack and Bhubaneswar. Okay, the answer is Bhubaneswar is known as the city of temples. Bhubaneswar. Bhubaneswar. Name the main place of worship in North. The main place of worship in North is Vaishno Devi Temple. It is Vaishno Devi Temple. Vaishnodevitemple. Vaishno Devi Temple. Where do we go to worship River Ganga? Where do we go to worship River Ganga? We go to Haridwar. We go to Haridwar to worship River Ganga. Haridwar. 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 So these are your 10 questions, right? First we'll go with the 10 questions. In the next class we'll do the rest questions. Okay, children? This is, again I want to remind you, this is only for your oral. Just read the question with the answer. Just remember the answer. Where do Hindus go? Temple. Muslims? Mosque. Christians? Church. Where is Jama Masjid? Delhi. Sikhs? Gurudwara. Lord Jagannath temple, where it is? It is in Puri. Golden Temple is in Amritsar. Bhubaneswar is known as the city of temples. In north, which is the main place? Vaishno Devi Temple. Where is River Ganga? It's in Haridwar. Okay, take care, children. Just go through it, and it's very easy. I know you all will remember the answer. Bye. Take care, children.